Another change I did to my Fatboy is I got these pullback risers. They're 4-inch pullback risers, and they're, in my case, they're just enough to put myself in a really comfortable position. The good thing is you don't need any wiring changes. I'll show that in a moment. But literally, you just need to unclip this clip here for the brake wire, and that's absolutely it. You're gonna have to pull the cabling here very carefully a little bit out of the front of your bike. I did it myself. Obviously, you need the correct Loctite, you need the correct tools, and if not, you can have it done by your garage. Show you the position I'm in right now. So I'm 6'2", 1 meter 88. This is, I really like to sit up straight. I do get all the wind on me, but that's why I have the backrest. Um, you know, feet forward, forward. It's a really comfortable position. Show it up close now. So I couldn't find too many videos out there on how it really looks. You can see here cables. You just need to pull them out a little bit. Make sure you do that very gently, don't force it. And the same here with the clamp. You just need to get that off. Make sure you have a person to help you when you install it, and makes a huge difference for me. Absolutely recommend it if you're a little bit taller or shorter. Can come in handy.